It's your girl Marsha with Talks with Marsha, and I'm back with a new video.
Go get your charger. You about to miss the show. I'll wait. Much better. And before you leave, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get that notification.
As you guys can tell from the title, this is an inventory unboxing. This box is huge, and I wasn't expecting it to be so big, but hey, it's here. Finally, I purchased some new containers for new products from the same vendor that I purchased my lip balm and lip scrub and lip oil containers from. So it still has the same concept, but we're switching it up a little bit. There's going to be new labels, new product. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna talk to my vendor because they need to put a note on here that lets me know what the top of the box is and what the bottom is, because I had to flip this over and over again at least 10 times just to get to where I needed to be to open the box. But here are my beautiful containers. I love them. The white bottle are going to be for the facial moisturizers with the bamboo top. The clear is going to be for the toner with the bamboo top. I love them. They're so cute. These are going to be for the face mask. They're smaller. And then the bigger container is going to be for the body scrubs. All right, you guys. So this one here is for, it's the droppers. It's for the face oil serum. If you guys watched my last video about my Fenty Skin product update, then you guys got to see the sample bottle, which the sample bottle is in those regular, I don't know why I'm trying to open this all cute and stuff. Not using the styrofoam. Rip it! What movie was that? Damn, I don't remember. Anyway. But yeah, so that was like the sample bottle. I had bought them in the beginning of the year from Amazon. Those brown ones, the brown regular droppers, because I wanted to test out some facial oil before I even thought about producing it for my business. So so I was testing those out for almost a year because, you know, COVID happened and all that other stuff. So I was like, okay, that gives me time. I'm in the house. I don't have a choice but to do my skincare routine. Well, I feel like this is the bottom again. Oh, no, it's not. But yeah, so I had time to do my skincare routine and it worked out really well for me. Even after the whole Fenty Skin thing, I went back to what I know best and I'm good. So yes, I love it. So I ended up going with a clear frosted. I didn't want a clear because from my research, the less light that penetrates your oil, the longer the shelf life of your oil is. So I still want you to see your oil because I'm still on the fence if I want to add like rosebuds to it or lavender or anything of that nature. So I wanted it to be frosted. Plus it's going to have a label on it, so that kind of protects it from the light too. And most people keep their oils in their room. I'm not in their, well, in their room, that's one. And in their medicine cabinet, that's two. So if you just got yours sitting on the windowsill and letting the sun touch it, then that's on you. There's so much preserving I can do. So, I'm over here messing stuff up. But yeah, so the droppers came separate. This is the twist top. This is the dropper. And then this is the little squeeze knob. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it for now. Okay, let's see how we put this together. So that goes in here. It's all glass, all glass. yeah, whatever. And then you go in here. Or maybe not. Let's do this again. So me myself, I tested the facial oil for the I have oily and mild acne skin. Certain things does cause me to have a breakout. So and I also have eczema on my face. So that's the oil I tested out. There's also going to be an oil for my normal to combination dry skin girls, so that you know you have your own oil. They're all going to be very hydrating, very beneficial. So that's that. I think that's everything. I'm also going to have pure African black soap, which is coming from Nigeria. So I'm gonna try that out, package that in this video. Since it's so short, I'm gonna try to make it at least a 10-minute video. I'm gonna show you guys my labels. I have to do a label for the toner, so you guys get to watch it, see what software I use to make it, and then I'm going to go, that'll be a separate video maybe, but I'm going to Office Depot. I have a friend who does the same thing, and she gets her labels from Office Depot, so I'm going to try something different instead of me myself doing it myself. I have a look that I want, and I don't have the proper printer to print them out myself. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I will show you guys what I have now and how I'm going to make the toners label, because I completely forgot about the toner. Everybody else got labels but the toner. But yeah, so this is I think I spent about $530 on all of this from China. Yeah, this is my unboxing, my inventory Black Friday unboxing, honey. And I loved everything. Everything is good. Everything's A1. I am gonna drop 2 new lip colors, so that's gonna also, I'm bringing it back to the cosmetics. So you know, I don't want anyone that started following me or purchased from me think like, okay, so she's kind of like dipping from the cosmetics. I'm still doing cosmetics. That ain't going nowhere. 2021, I have a whole new line that I'm going to drop, which is purely makeup. So yeah, that's what that is. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Check this part out as far as the labels, what software I use or website I use. Here's an up close of the containers, but wait till you see the next slide.
Yo, stop! Yo, stop!
All right, so we're gonna go to avery.com/size. It's going to take you to the page that you are going to need to see example labels to get the correct size that you're going to need. So this is how the front page looks. It also has a printable ruler if you need one. I didn't need one because I have a measuring tape here. So here are different examples. There's the arch, the oval, the square, the circle, and the rectangle, which for my product, I am going to use the rectangle for all of my containers. Here are some samples of templates that they have or label sizes that they have, which are most common. And here you can just print these out, cut them out, and tape them, or just hold them against your container just to see if that size is what's for you. So I'm using the 1 inch by 4, the 2 inch by 4, and also the 2 inch by 6. So both the 2 inch by 6 and the 2 inch by would actually fit my body scrub containers, but I wanted to go almost all the way around the container, so I'm gonna go with the 2x6. Um, Also, I just want to show you guys what the other ones look like. This is the circle ones. If you want to go ahead and print labels to go on top of your containers, these are good labels for that. The square, I use the square one for my lip balm, and besides that, that's about it. And also on my box containers, I think I have a square one, but yeah. So I did try out the arch ones, but it didn't really work out for me. Next is the website that I use to actually make the labels. So I use Canva for everything, which you're going to see in a minute. I use it for my social media posts. I use it for my YouTube thumbnail. I use it for my products now. What else do I use it for? I use it for everything. So as you can see here, those are my labels that I am going to use for my products. You can see some of the thumbnails that I have and posts that I have for my social media on Instagram and Facebook. But on this page, what you're going to do is on the search bar, you're going to type in product labels. It's going to pop up templates of different product labels right here. So as you can see here, there are champagne bottle, wine bottle templates, soap bars, tea boxes or tea bags. These two are the ones that I'm using. That's going to be for my mask, and that's going to be for my facial oil. But you can use any of these, switch it up if you want to, keep the same style if you want to. But it was very helpful to me for what I was looking for. So I did use that. So I'm going to show you guys an example of what you can do with it instead of showing you mine, because I actually already made my toner bottle label. So here you take this one here and you resize it to match the size that you're going to need for Avery. So here I put in 1 inch by 4. Well, I think I started off with 1 inch by 6, but then I went back and changed it to 1 inch by 4 inches. So you're going to see the whole look of it is going to change, and it's going to match what you actually want your label to look like. Like here. It takes a little minute. I don't know if it's my computer, but yeah, it's been lagging a little bit. But so now this is the size of the label that you want. It was a little thick, so I changed it and I made it longer because I wanted it to go all the way around the container. Like this. So here, you can leave it as so. You can make it bigger. You can move the lettering around. So what I did is I made the black part bigger because I did like the whole aesthetic of the black part being around the pink. Kind of made it pop. And I like using Canva on the website than on the phone, even though I use both, but it's easier for me to move things around on the website. So that everything is aligned and in place how I want to. So now I'm going to duplicate the pink because I want the logo and the name to be in the center, and then I want, like, say for instance, the ingredients to be on the side. Like, it'll be more towards the back of the container and not everything clustered in the front. It looks too busy that way. So I did that. I moved the font or the lettering. And if you don't see it, that's probably because it's behind the pink. So you go here, push it towards the front, and there you go. That's done. I duplicated again, did it on the next side, and right now it looks kind of crazy, but
you'll be able to match it up. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. I just want to show you guys an example of how to make this label. Next, we're going to go ahead and send it to Avery. After you're done doing all the editing, moving around, spacing it out, picking your font, you're going to download it and save it on your computer as so. Then you're going to go back to Avery and you are going to scroll up and click template. Here you are going to pick the size template that you want, which this here, I put it down as 1 inch by 6 inches. But in actuality, I don't think they have a 1 by, I think, 7 1/4. But they didn't really have a 1 by 6. I'm pretty sure they do, but I just couldn't find it. So I did go back, resized it, and put it down as a 1 by 4, and then applied the label to the template. So here you're going to upload your artwork, which is what we did on Canva. We're going to pick the orientation that we want, which is that one, and we're going to upload what we put here. Boom. Label is on there. Everything is in line. You can customize it if you want it to be a little closer, if you want to widen it and stuff like that. But as far as adding or removing anything, you would have to go back to Canva, make your adjustments, download it again, and upload it on Avery. So here I'm going to show you what it looks like on the sheet when you take it to Office Depot. Right now I don't have a laser printer, so I'm going to have to go to Office Depot. But if I did have a laser ink printer or whatever, then I would have did it myself. But here's how it looks. At Office Depot, they only really charge you for the printing. You would just purchase the labels that they have there, and they would print it for you with their laser ink printer. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informational for you. But there is how you're going to upload it. That is the PDF. You would save it on a hard drive and take it to Office Depot or any Staples. FedEx also has printing services. So that's how you would do it. Save it on your external USB hard drive or whatever you have, and that is it. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I enjoy making videos like this. Now that I know how to record my screen on my computer, I would gladly make more videos like this. So just let me know and I will do so for you. And thanks for watching. Bye.